It said JCB are you with me? Say, JCB is a private sector business. It was formed in 1945 and produced trailers for use on farms. So JCB, it's a business that provides or that produces tractors for farms. So that means it's a business to business. That's the first note. Today, it is one of the top 3 manufacturers of construction equipment in the world and produces a wide range of machinery, such as engines, diggers, forklifts, trucks. The business employs around 11,000 people in location over 4 continents and sells its products through more than 750 dealers worldwide. This figure shows the earning before interest, tax, depreciation, and amortization, EBITDA, made by JCB between 2011 and 2014. During this time, the construction industry has performed poorly in many countries. So this is what JCB provides, tractors for the funds and for construction. So now the question says, JCB makes producer goods. What is meant by the term producer goods? Producer goods are goods that are produced for other businesses. Like JCB, it provides tractors, it produces tractors for other construction companies and firms. This is how you finish up with your answers to get the full mark. Question 2. What is meant by the term private sector? A private sector is a business organization run and controlled by individuals or groups of individuals. I think that is clear. The third one, name 2 possible stakeholders in JCB.
Suppliers and customers.
Customers, suppliers, customers, employees, the banks, the financiers, the owners of JCB. Question 4. Describe the role played by managers in a business such as JCB. You can give, you said the managers are in charge of the running of JCB. Yes. They also plan direction. They also plan direction with the owners of the business, and they are accountable to the owners of the business. So these are the roles of the managers. I think it's clear. And the 5th question. JCB operates in a changing business environment. What does this mean? It means that JCB could be affected. It means that JCB could be affected by external factors. That is changing business environment. JCB could be affected by external factors, which could be consumer taste and preference, which could be demand, increasing demand or decreasing demand, which could be actions of competitors. These are what we call changing business environment. And the question 6. It says, assess whether the owner of JCB will be happy with the financial performance of the business between 2011 and 2014. You go back to 2011. The profit made in 2011 was 355. 355. And in 2014, 303. So that means there's decrease in profits between 2011 and 2014. So what do you have to do? You have to check the percentage increase or decrease. So it's going to be 355 minus 303. Are you with me?
Yes.
Divided by 355 times 100. Do you have a calculator there? 355 minus 303.
Wait, what?
355. 355
Yes.
minus 303.
Yes.
Divided by 355. 354. No. 355 minus 303. That's 52. Divided by 355 times 100. 52 times 100. That's 5,200 divided by 355. Divided by 355. 14.64. So there's a percentage decrease. There's a profit decrease of minus 14.64. So the financiers are not going to be happy because at this point in time, their profit has reduced to what it used to be. It's 355 because the more profit you make as a firm, the more dividends you are able to pay to your stakeholders or to your shareholders and to the owners. But if the profit is falling, the dividends will also fall. The profit to be given to the owners will also fall. So more profits, more dividends, more profits, more return on investment. So they're not going to be happy if it has to fall, if profit has to fall. Is it clear? So because one of the things you use profit for, you can also retain it into the business. It can be part of your retained profit. Is it clear?
Yes.
Do you have any questions about chapter 1? So we're done.
Done?
Yeah.
We're done.
Yes. So we finish chapter 1. We finish chapter 1.
Where?
We finish chapter 1. Chapter 1.
Yes.
Do you have any question about it? So what you need to do for me now?